Hi everyone, there has been a lot of recent government policy changes and announcements on real estate. Let's talk about these changes and programs and how it might affect you. Introduction of the BC Home Flipping Tax. In early spring 2024, the government of BC will introduce legislation to impose a new tax on sales proceeds received from the sale of residential property in BC. This tax applies to residential properties owned for less than 2 years, with rates at 20% for sale within 365 days, and will decline to zero between 366 and 730 days. It is payable in addition to federal or provincial income taxes incurred from the sale of property. The tax will also apply to assignment of contracts to purchase residential properties. The tax will apply to properties sold on or after January 1st, 2025, and will apply even if a seller has purchased the property before January 1st, 2025. For example, if you purchase your home in February 2023 and sell the same home on January 1st, 2025, you will be deemed to have held the home for less than 2 years, and the income from the sale will be subject to the tax. Exemptions will be available for certain life circumstances, such as separation, death, disability or illness, relocation for work, involuntary job loss, insolvency, change in household memberships, or personal safety. In addition to these exemptions, individuals selling their primary residence within 2 years can exclude up to $20,000 when calculating taxable income. First-time home buyers exemption threshold increase. The first-time home buyers exemption eliminates the property transfer tax liability for eligible first-time home buyers, provided the fair market value of the purchase is below the designated threshold. Effective April 1st, 2024, the property transfer tax exemption for first-time home buyers sees a substantial increase in the threshold, rising from $500,000 to $835,000. The exemption eliminates the tax on the first $500,000 of a property's fair market value. The exemption is phased out between $835,000 and $860,000, with complete elimination of the exemption at $860,000. Let's look at an example. Newly built home exemption threshold increase. The newly built home exemption exempts qualifying purchasers from property transfer tax for the purchase of a principal residence. Effective April 1st, 2024, the newly built home exemption from property transfer tax gets a boost, increasing the fair market value threshold from $750,000 to $1.1 million. The exemption is phased out between $1.1 million and $1.15 million, with complete elimination of the exemption at $1.15 million. Let's look at an example. Please speak with your accountant and the CRA to confirm the details of these new policies. You may be eligible for the Secondary Suite Incentive Program. The Secondary Suite Incentive Program offers forgivable loans up to $40,000 to build rental units, targeting 1,000 affordable units annually for 3 years. Homeowners can apply for SSIP with units required to be rented below market rates for 5 years. See below for more details. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching.